Hi everyone, welcome back to PC. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the formatting tags in HTML. Okay, which is the third part of the HTML series that we are going through. So let's start. Initially, I'm creating a HTML file. I'm loading the basic structure and changing the title into formatting tags. Okay. So generally, formatting tags are used to format the text in the HTML document. To format the text in the HTML document. So let's discuss one by one. So the first tag that we're going to discuss is B tag. B tag is used to make the text bold text. Okay. So let's check how it looks like in the browser. So I'm creating a B tag over here and loading a dummy paragraph. Now I'm placing one of the word inside the B tag and checking what will happen if I go live to the browser. See, the paragraph the words in the paragraph seems like this, but the word that I have placed inside the B tag is much bolder as compared to the other words. So this is how it will be looking if I'm placing a content or formatting a content using B tag. Okay, next that we're going to discuss is strong tag. A strong tag, same. It looks same in the browser, but it gives the browser will be giving more importance to the data placed inside the strong tag. So importance is higher to the content that are placed inside the strong tag. So I will show you one example. So instead of placing the same content in B tag, I'm placing it inside the strong tag. Okay. In the output, we will see both the B tag and strong tag displays the same way, but the importance to the words will be more if it is placed inside the strong tag. Okay. Semantic importance. A browser will, excuse me, browser will be giving more importance to the content that are placed inside the strong tag. Okay. Next tag that we are discussing is I tag to make the text in italics. This is generally used for placing a content which are like placing a frame of phrases or an important text or a technical terms like that. So such terms are represented using I tag. So it will be formatted in such a way that seems like it will be displayed like displayed in italics. Okay. So let's check that out. E tag. Again, I'm placing some lorem content and placing a few words inside I tag. See, these words are placed in italics. Okay, so you can write it down that italics, itags are generally used to represent phrases, technical terms, or some part of poems like that. We can use itags. Okay, next fourth one, that is em tag. It is also displayed in italics, but the thing is, the content placed inside em tag will be given more emphasis by the screen reader. Okay, the words inside the em tag will be given more emphasis emphasized by the screen reader. That means it will be pronounced in most trust way. Okay, so let's check. Again, I'm placing a p tag and loading a lot of content, and I'm placing this content in emphasize Okay, the display will be seen, but if you are using a screen reader, it will read these words in more emphasized way. Okay, so that's about em tag. Next comes small tag. Thus tag will display contents in very small size, or in short, defines a smaller text. Okay. Let's check small tag as well. So I'm again creating a lorem content and placing this much of words inside a small tag. Okay. See the stack, the words placed in the stack has smaller size as compared to the other words. Okay, other words in the p tag. So this is how a small tag or content placed inside a small tag look like. Okay. Now 6.1 INS tag. This tag is basically used to represent the content placed inside this tag has been inserted to this document. Okay, insert a text into the document. So, okay, I'm using a p tag and loading a dummy para and placing some contents inside INS tag. Okay, now I'm checking. See, this will provide an underline to the tags, the content, and indicate that these texts are being inserted to your HTML document. Okay, so that represents INS tag. Okay, these texts are newly inserted to the document. It provides underlines. Then comes 7, that is del tag. Del tag represents the text that are being deleted from the document. Okay, represents the text that are being deleted from the document. Okay, I'm placing this content inside del tag, then checking the output. See, there is a strike. There's a strike in the letters that are being placed inside, or the words that are being placed inside del tag. So this indicates that these words has been deleted from this document. Okay. So it provides a strike through the text. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the eighth formatting tag, that is mark. Okay. Mark is used to highlight a text. Okay. It is used to highlight a text. Okay. So let's check that as well. I'm placing few contents inside mark tag and checking what will happen. See, an yellow background has been provided to these words in order to highlight this content. Okay, this is how a content placed inside a mark tag looks like. Okay, a yellow background color will be given to the text. Okay, the next tag that we are discussing is Subtag. Subtract tag represents subscript. Okay, subscript. So this is basically used for representing some chemical formulas, in generally to represent formulas. Okay, we'll we'll take a chemical formula from the browser. So we can choose any one of this. Yeah, we'll choose the water formula, that is H2 plus O gives H2O. Okay, so we'll represent this using the tag. So I'm giving an H1 tag over here and just writing H2 plus O gives gives H2O. Here, this 2 will be presented as a, now, wait 1 second. Now, if I see the output, this will be the output. Okay, it will be represented like this. So, if I want to write this 2, number 2, has a subscript, you have to place that 2 in the subtag. So, I'm placing this 2 inside the subtag and this 2 as well. Subtag. You see? See here, 2 will be written in a subscript way. Okay, in order to display content like this, you can use subscript or subtag. Okay, now the last one that we want to discuss is sup tag, that is superscript. Superscript. This is also used for representing the formulas. So we will take some formula from the browser, like mathematical formula. Okay. If you want to display this current, this is somewhat bigger, but let's discuss this. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We'll go with that. So again, I'm creating an h1 tag. A plus b, the whole square gives a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here the 2 should be placed inside superscript. Okay. Super, and this 2 also I am placing inside the superscript, and this one as well. Okay, now I'm checking the output. See, a plus b the whole square gives a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this will be how we place a content inside the superscript looks like. So this is all about the formatting tags. If you have any other queries, like any other tags that we want to discuss, you can comment that as well. Okay, fine. Thank you all.